Hello, welcome to today's educational video tutorial on how to transfer Casper, that is CAS, from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to send Casper from a crypto exchange to your Tangem hardware wallet within just a few minutes. If today is the first time we're meeting, hi, I'm Blumino Morin, your trusted money coach. Follow me on Facebook for more educational content on investing and personal finance. And don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Let's jump right in. How to transfer Casper to your Tangem hardware wallet. In my previous video, I showed you how to buy Casper in Canada. If you missed that video, I'm going to leave it up here and I'm also going to leave it in the description below. So, step 1, log into your preferred crypto exchange. For example, Binance, Kraken, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gemini, whatever crypto exchange you're using, it follows the same logic. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer Casper from KuCoin to your Tangem hardware wallet. So step 1, log into your KuCoin account. So go ahead and log into KuCoin. So once you're logged into KuCoin, right on your home page, go ahead and click on the Asset button. Next, click on Withdraw. And right here, you can see the Casper that I have in my wallet. In our last class, I showed you how to buy Casper, and today we're going to be moving this to our Tangem wallet. So click on Casper. And right here, we need to paste our wallet address here. So step 2, we're going to log into our Tangem hardware wallet. If you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can access the official Tangem wallet website. And don't forget to use my discount code BLOOMING to get 10% off your order. Go ahead and log into your Tangem wallet. Once you're logged in, click on Manage Tokens. Now we're going to search for Casper. So go ahead and select Casper. And right here, we can see that the only available network is the Casper main. So slide this button here, slide it to the right to activate this. Once you do that, click on the Save Changes button. Now, I need to scan my Tangem hardware wallet. Just the same way it's been displayed on the screen, I'm going to move my Tangem hardware wallet right behind my phone. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds. So go ahead and do that. Just within a few seconds, Casper has been added to my Tangem wallet. So next, if you just scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see that the Casper has now been added to our Tangem wallet. So next, click on Casper. Now we want to receive some Casper from KuCoin. So click on Receive. Now, this is my wallet address. So click on Copy. Address copied to clipboard. Now I'm going to go back to KuCoin and paste this wallet address there. So this is my KuCoin account. I'm going to paste the wallet address here. The network is Casper. The minimum withdrawal is 20 CAS. So I'm going to withdraw everything. I have about 92 Casper. So I'm going to select maximum. So click on the maximum button. I'm going to be sending everything, but you can see that this reduced by about 10 Casper. And that's because there's a fee of 10 Casper just to make this withdrawal. So that's why you're seeing 82 here. So next, click on withdraw. So click on the confirm button. Now I'm going to enter my trading password and I'm also going to enter my email verification code and the 2FA code. So go ahead and do that. So I've entered my trading password. Now I'm going to enter my verification code. So click on the send button. So I'm going to check my email for this. I'm going to paste my verification code here. Then my 2FA, I'm going to do the same thing. Click on confirm. Now I get this notification, withdrawal successful. So I'm just going to add this address for later use. So now I'm going to wait a few minutes for this transaction to be processed. I'm going to wait a few minutes for this to be sent to my Tangem wallet. So while we're waiting for the transaction to be processed, if you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below. And if you have any video suggestion for any particular coin or token that you want me to make a video on, let me know also in the comment section below. Okay? And if you don't have a Tangem wallet, scroll to the description area below to get the official Tangem wallet website, and don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. So I'm going to go back to my Tangem wallet since I've already gotten a notification that the withdrawal has been successful. So I'm going to log back into my Tangem wallet. Then I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and you can see right here that the Casper that I just sent from KuCoin is now in my Tangem wallet. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section below. Until then, I'm Blooming, your trusted money coach. Bye bye.